Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to show the total screen time, so how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we are in the digital well-being tools. Here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So you can check that I've been using it for 37 minutes, and you can check for how much time I've spent on particular apps. Of course, you can tap on it. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got also the graph. You can check and that today I was using it for 37 minutes, but yesterday for 51 minutes. Of course, you've got particular apps listed right here. What's more, here you've got also unlocks, count, and notifications, so how many notifications you received. Under it you've got also ways to disconnect, so if you need the time with no disturbance, you can set the dashboard with down focus mode, or you can reduce interruptions just by manage notifications or entering and applying do not disturb mode. You can also show icon on the app list, and you can enter parental controls. So the ways to disconnect is the best way actually to reduce some activity, because you will be able, for example, in the focus mode, you will be able to set the schedule. You will be able to mark the apps which you want to turn off for a particular time, and then your device will limit any notifications from them. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.